we're looking at the trade. Hopefully, we can do something vital with the information we get and we'll hack for his trade. And you can see that US start is trying to build up a momentum going to the upside. So this trade is ruled out for me. Okay, this is one day. One day is telling me that it's building up. Okay, this trade is ruled out for me. If I want to risk US 30, I would buy. I will not sell any longer. US 30 has been that trade which I've been waiting for it to come down, that I will be selling and selling. Yesterday I made some money from it. GDP, JPY, let me see. It's coming down. But I don't want to risk it because no. I can risk the next 4 hours decision making, but no. The ones I talked about that has more potential. Okay, you can see that BTC JPY closed in trying to retest its high. It came down and it's trying to go back again. And there is double top there. I don't think it will have that width to continue going to the upside. But I know one thing for sure, that if I take a buy here, my take profit will be here or here. That should be my take profit. Well, let's not risk it. Let's go to a trade which is more clear. And that is card share for it. Card share for this area, it retested our resistance here. So card share will be a minus today. Let's see what we can do. Let's see. I think I'm talking about the GDP trade. And it's got the GDP pairs. GBP, GDP card, GBP, GBP chef, GBP, JPY, GBPUSD. I think this is where I saw GBP silver. So silver GBP or something is here. SAUGGP, okay, SAUGGP. Yes, SAUGGP has close to uptrend, but there's a very small issue here. A very small issue because it has been ranging for a very long time. Let me bring in RSI. RSI will tell me if this thing will go up or not. Because sometimes you have to be sure of what you want to do. RSI told me that this thing, okay, we just came down from the upside. It has not gone to its starts yet. So this movement is making here is the first one. It will not hold that strength going up. So that is my RSI decision there. Okay, let me just see BTC UD, BTC Bitcoin Silver. Bitcoin Silver just pierced my that. This is the trade I spoke about that I want to go. I want to take. Bitcoin Silver, as you can see, let me see RSI. It was going up trend, then it came down. It has not gotten to 30. It spinned around from here and went to this high again, and it's going down again. And if you can see, it has just pierced my 50 moving average. Of course, at this area, my hand will be itching to buy for long time, but I was still let me endure until 50 moving average is taken away. And right now, it has been taken away. I'm going with full force, full option of buying huge. So how much am I looking to buy now? I will sacrifice according to stop loss. So let me see what 20 we do to this trade. If I sell from there, take profits here, stop loss here, that is 46. Then I take profit should be here, but there's a resistance here which I'm scared of. No, no, no. Yeah. Let me keep it here just to sometimes this trade can be so crazy sometimes. So I think SAUCR should be the one we're looking at now because it has gone up, no power, it came down, went up again, no strength, and it's coming down. And this resistance should be a talking point because anyhow, this trade we want to stop at resistance first before it will try next. But if did not see any good alternative, I'm coming to Bitcoin. All right, Euro USD is telling me that, bro, we went back to that upside. We're doing some retest here, and of course, you're good to go. All right, my prediction yesterday was that Euro USD, because I saw the market here, I predicted that the take profit should be around here. But now that I'm seeing that there's a retest here, the movement is moving down. So if I take my share, take profit is here, 4K is guaranteed. So Euro USD is one option. We'll just take this share. Where's my stop loss now? My stop loss will be, that is the question. Before you take the buy, you have to separate your stop loss. Which candlestick can you put your live on and say, yes, this is my stop loss? My stop loss should be there, and take profit should be here. You want to do it like that, or you want to do it here? That is almost 1:1. Okay, let me see if I can get something better than these two. Okay, this one is retesting. Okay, this is fantastic. GDP Canadian dollars is trying to retest, and it's just starting this journey. All right, let me see what one day is doing. One day there's been say, and one day is looking to say. Okay, so GDP Canadian dollars. What if I take that side here? Say take profit. How much did I put here? Okay, okay. Holy, holy. That is 10 grand there, bro. But I think this resistance will be first of all respected. There, where's my stop loss? That is another question. My stop loss should be here, 4,000. It's almost 1:1. Mm, Drag it down 1:2. So I love 1:2. I know that's because I'm coming back by 2 o'clock to reanalyze the market. I know that by 2 o'clock I will not get this thing here. So it's broke our line. It had a retest and it's pushing down again because we're in a downward trend. Should we do it? Also, let's do it. GDP card is the one I'm selling today. All right, GDP card. Why is this thing not coming up? Okay, let me see. I want to use all my force to sell this GDP card today. Let's say here, just wait to analyze your stop loss before you click that button of sell. Analyze your stop loss. That is 8,000. That is 1:1. Cool 1:1. If you bring it down here before the resistance, that is 1:2. That is still 1:1.5. 1:1.5. I'll do it this way. If it passes this 50 EMA, I don't want to have this 9 EMA. I don't want to have anything to do with it again. Alright. Should we? Yes. Just one trade for the day, guys. Nothing, nothing, nothing too much. I calculated my stop loss first to money I'm willing to give out for charity purpose. Yeah. Before I took the trade, so that you not go and take your trade now without looking your stop loss and you're having some issues later. Calculate your stop loss first before you enter. GDP card, we're selling. All right. Chef and GDP card, I made this trade. Okay, this guy is serious with this is down movement. This guy is very serious. My issue is that it's used to fake this damn movement. Whenever it comes down, come down again to fake it and go up. That is my issue. But now I've seen that it gave me a very good fair value gap there, and it's printing another one. Share Swiss, France, chef, and this thing. Let's just take one share, and that is it. Calculate your stop loss first. Calculate your stop loss first. Calculate your stop loss first. This is Swiss franc versus JPY. 3,000. Can you risk that amount of money? Yes, I can. Let's just do 1:1. I will just do 1:2 because I'm seeing more potential. By 2 o'clock, I'll still be monitoring it like an evil spirit. But I'm still skeptical because this is not my usual area to take a trade. So, wait, I can't. I would want joke GDP card has been taken already. AUD JPY. AUD JPY rejected this momentum and is looking to still push high. I won't take it for now. AUD JPY. Um, let's say you Great Britain pound, silver great. Oh God, silver Great Britain pound. It's closed. It's closed here and it's giving me that momentum, and that candle is fucking strong, bro. Calculate your stop loss first. Let me see if I can buy here, take my profit here. How much am I risking? How much would I want to risk? Of course, if it comes down to my EMA, I wouldn't want to do anything with it, but in this situation, we'll say this bottom, that is 1:1, clear 1:1. That means the market is ranging. By 2 o'clock, can it give me 1:1? That is the question. I don't know. But that is a good bullish candle that pairs my EMAs straight up, straight up. All the EMAs are supporting it. So, what should I do? What should I do? What should I do? And there will be resistance here, and I can't want to do it here. If I do it here, it might want to pull back to stop everything that is pushing. That is how the trade used to do sometimes. This is a downward trend and upward trend is just kicked in. I would just think about that market. Oh, Euro GDP, JPY, Euro JPY, downward trend. Okay, Euro JPY has convinced me enough. I said I'm not taking Euro JPY, but I'm well convinced now that is going to pierce this in my EMA. It's can reach the 50 EMA and this guy rejects. Sometimes I how it happens, but I'm convinced, but not solely convinced. But we can say it's still a good trade. So if I say here because I'm catching it so early, all right, stop loss first. Calculate your stop loss first before you enter. 1:, how much will be that? I see here. I mean, 1:2.5. 1:1.5. One no 1:2.5. It's 2.5. Even if I bring it down here, 1:2.5. Let me see. It was coming down, went up, boom to 70. RSI told me that it didn't come to 70 that much because it has been coming down. So it won't have that strength to come to 70 back. But the candles are too small. The candles of 4 hours is not convincing. It's looking so tiny. Like, like he's so scared. I'm so scared. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, look at that beautiful rejection there from our EMA. And this guy is printing. Who is the next target now to that downside? Let me see 1D. Oh, yo, there's resistance there, bro. I can't risk it. There's resistance there. I don't know what it will do next. Let's see this guy. Boom. This is good. It's already upward trend and boom, it went up again. It came down to Brits and went up again. We have chances to go, but there's a resistance there. The card I can't go. Aliens and the New Zealand currency. Boom! Oh, this guy is just flying. He's just flying, but he's looking to calm down. Oh, wait. It's looking to calm down. So we want to is a euro card. I think UAD. Okay, let me stick there. UAD GDP. Let me check my SAU first of all. You see this guy. This guy is a pretender. Okay, it was going up now. Yeah, it's just going up. Boom. I'm gonna risk it. Can I risk it because it has done this now. One is to U 34K and U. This is 1:1. This is 1:1. I don't want to be in a market where 1:1 is the target. I want to see something that has at least 1:2. This candle is not very strong. BTC. GDP JPY. Should I sell? Should I sell? Should I sell? Guys, I'm selling GDP JPY. Though this is not conventional, but we're in 70. And it wants to relieve some steam before it will go up again. This guy, how many stop loss did I put for you? How many stop loss? Okay, I'm risking 4K there. So GDP JPY, I will risk. Why I'm doing that to ascertain how much is in my account. Always check your stop loss before you take any trade. So I'm risking 1:2. GDP JPY, I will risk. Should I risk this guy? 2000. As profit. Who will be my stop loss? You. Oh, you be my friend. This is just a short, so I'm just taking. Guys, if you have any questions you want to ask, go to the comment the description. You see my WhatsApp group. Join my WhatsApp group. I've not been using my WhatsApp group sincerely. Okay, this is 1:2. All right, GDP or wait for the video to upload, then you ask your questions because right now I can't be streaming and be answering questions. I'm so sorry for that. And I'll be making some short videos. You can go there and ask your questions. If you have any questions you want to ask, JDP we're going with you. I'm just looking to get some more money from the market today. Nothing much. Mr. Two, and I will keep you here. If you like, take me out. If you like, take me out. So guys, these are the two trades I'm taking today. So later when I come around, I'll now analyze what is happening. Let me see if I can read some comments a little bit. Then, if you want to ask questions, I want to log in now so that I'll read some comments. Then I'll just go ahead with my daily activities for today. Let's see. Let's see. Mm, mm, what is this channel's name, sir? Chief Nine. Chief Nine. Imagine me, I don't know my channel's name. Alright, I think Achieve Nine should be streaming. Yeah, it's streaming. Alright, I'm in the comment section right now. Have you got Minecraft? Somebody was asking that. Bro, I don't have Minecraft. I don't even know what Minecraft is. I'm blunt honest. Anybody who wants to ask questions, please, you can ask questions now because I'll be leaving very soon. Hi, ask your questions. Want to ask questions? I don't know what Minecraft is, bro. Alright, nobody wants to ask questions. All right, so these are the two trades I'm taking today: GDP, JPY, and GDP card. If you don't know what I've done so far, please go and watch the videos and you see what I've done so far so that you understand, you partake, and let's cash out today. I analyze everything and I think GDP, JPY, and GDP card is the profit. Mm, SAU. Yeah, I spoke about SAU this time. BTC, BTC. It cannot break. It has broken it all. As I see, if I grab we nice. Yeah. So if you did not understand how I did my analysis, go and watch my strategy video. I talked a lot about my strategy. I have number one 50 EMA, I have number two 90 EMA. And what is the responsibility of my 50 EMA? It just tells me where the trend is currently. So now this 50 EMA, as it's going, as the market is below it, everything I want to do is to say. I can't ever buy. Whereas the 9 EM is following the market so tightly that whenever the market does any twist, I will be like, wait a minute, let me withdraw. Like for example, what if the market break out from here and started going down? I'm selling, using any small opportunity, even if I didn't catch it on top here, I catch it here, I will sell. I meet it here, there's rejection, I will sell. It comes here, I will sell. Here again, I will sell, and boom, it goes across my 9 EMA with a very strong, powerful candle break. I will ask myself, wait a minute, what is happening? That's the strategy. Then it goes up again to the 50 MA, and you can see this market does not have strength to top on my 50 MA, and it moved down straight down to the 9 EMA again. Boom. Guess what? Selling continues. But once it's going to my 50 MA, I can't make any decision. Sometimes you can be courageous enough to just take these little shots, but it's not advisable because you don't know if it will just go there and reject again. So once it met the 50 MA and told the 50 MA alpha, 50 MA say, come on, go down. Then we start selling again. Say, till the last end of the selling. This is GDP card, very easy. We'll come to GDP JPY. What did it do again? It's upward trend, guys. Upward trend. But the story is just like this area in GDP card. Where me I say this area of retest to that 50 EMA, don't catch it. GDP JPY is doing that, and I'm taking that risk, which is not advisable, right? It's going upward to this area. Boom, it passes. It's a strong candle and it's pushing, looking further to push more down. So what I'm doing now is just to catch it to this level because I'm scared that it might not even end up meeting this thing. But as long as there is 1:2 risk to reward ratio, you can see how much is entering there. You can see how much will be taken back. I said no problem. Even if I can even drag it more further, so that my risk to reward ratio would be ascertained. Can drag it to here 1:3.5 or something risk to reward ratio. If the 50 MA crosses, before it will cross, by then this candle must have gone down to touch it. So boom, we make our money and we're out of the market. We don't give the fuck on the shit about whatever. So these are the two trades I think I found that are very interesting to me today. Unlike the other trades like USD JPY, SAU USD has disappointed me today, but actually I can go with this one is to one. All right. But I don't like 1:1 trade. I want a trade where I will be certain that I'll get 1:2 risk to reward profit. Understand? 1:1, what if the one did not complete and the trade now trades back? Understand? But 1:2, certainly at least one will come before the trade will not start overreacting. Then you'll be like, I told you, I saw you from afar, and I'm not interested. All right, that is just my trade. The reasons why I took the trade, these are just two trades I took, and you can see just one this thing. And before I took any of this trade again, I would draw your ears and draw my ears. I checked how much I'm going to lose. If you did not check how much you're going to lose when you're entering the trade, guy, you're making a big mistake. Check how much I want to lose. I put my stop loss there, how much I'm willing to let go. But for now, I think this trade has gone down a little bit, and the trade has given me more reason to go down. I've adjusted how much I'm going to lose in this one because the trade is now going down. When I took it, it was up. So now it's going down. I've adjusted how much I'm going to lose. And you can see this is 2 is to 3 or 2 is to 4 is the reward ratio. So in case you want to do that with me, and this one now, it has not gone down that much, but I know that it will go down soon. And if it goes down, maybe I'll come online on my own willingness and check how much I'm willing to lose. Share any question. Somebody said, how are you? If you have any question, you can ask. I'm online now, checking the chats. Chats, if you have any question, please ask me. Shoot me your questions. Shoot me your questions because I'm going to. I have some work to do today. I have to go to the hospital because I work in the hospital. And another thing, guys, keep your day job as a trader. Still keep your job in case of incasity. Trader is just like a side also. All right. So since there's no questions, bro, I've answered your questions. You asked me, where is this thing ringing from? Oh God. Yeah. Bro, keep your day job. Somebody asked me, do you trade Minecraft? Bro, I don't know anything concerning Minecraft, please. I don't trade Minecraft. I do forex trading. And keep your day job. Buy a funded account. Start trading if you can. If you can't if you can't buy a funded account at £2, you've gotten a funded account. 56, 60 pounds, 70 pounds, £100, you've gotten a funded account. You start trading. If you can't get funded account, just put the £100 and minimize how much you want to be risking. And that is fine too as well. You understand? Ah, that being said, that being said, peace out. Before I do that, peace out now. Hey, JPY, GDP, JPY, GDP, JPY, GDP, JPY, GDP, JPY, GDP, JPY. It wants to stop me out. That's gone to one third of my stop loss. GDP, JPY. Well, I'm not scared. I'll take this stop loss. No, I will not take it. Stop me out if you want to stop me out. You have to be willing to lose the amount of money which you're putting to lose. You understand? Uh, 276. Oh God, this is nice. This is nice. Let's do reward ratio. This can be smooth, low. Hello. This candle is smooth. The way it will spread down. This candle is smooth. No resistance. The resistance is at the bottom. This is a trade where you enter this GDP card. A trade where you enter, you close your eye and be like, man, I'm forex trading. All right. Let me lose you guys. Yeah, I have to go to work. I have to go to this and that and do a lot of things. Thank you for watching. Cheers. I'll follow you up. I'll update you guys by 2 p.m. UK time, London time, when New York session will be starting, because we have to check what is happening with these ones. Either we have to close them or we have to open a new trade. So I'll update you guys about it, and I'll do some analysis of which one is not more better and preferable. And we are taking one or two trades till 6 p.m. And one good thing about my strategy, it limits over trading. You don't have to trade much in a day. You understand? And I trade the 4 hours charts. You don't have to trade much in a day. One or two trade. How much do I want to risk? I pray to God. I take profit hits. That is my prayers. God, if you want me to lose this money, no problem, you should go. But if my take profit would hit, please it should come. That is my prayer. And you just pray like that. And you're good. You trade 2 times in a day. decrease your chances of loss, decrease your chances of over trading, increase your profitability. You know, that's it. All right, let me just go. I talk too much.